for taking time to be with us. Today's devotion is entitled, Come, Let Us Rebuild the Wall. My name is Zukiswa Ngceza. We read from the book of Nehemiah, chapter 2, verses 17, and it reads as follows. But then I said to them, you see the trouble we are in. Jerusalem lies in ruin and its gates have been burned. Come, let us rebuild the wall of Jerusalem, and we will no longer be in disgrace. News reached Nehemiah that Jerusalem was still lying in ruin after many decades. He was troubled by this. He took time and went back to Jerusalem. Upon arrival, he gathered all men, he gathered material, and started to rebuild Jerusalem. A noble man like Nehemiah, with no leadership skill, was troubled enough to take action. He did not announce in the social media to say that he's going to do something good. He did not ask a publicity for this to be done, but he took action in silence. Today, there are many walls in our lives that are lying in ruins. Are we perturbed enough to take action? Let's ask God to assist us. The walls that are lying in ruin in your life could be the relationship with your loved ones. It could be a relationship with your spouse, with your siblings, with your friends. Are you then troubled enough to take action? If not, ask God to assist you to take action and rebuild the wall that is lying in ruin in your life. Thank you for taking time to be with us. May God bless you.